Okay, so let's see this in action. For real estate, it's a total game changer. You can run video tours of homes all day and all night. A house sells at 3 p.m., the listing is gone from the window by 3:01. The problem of outdated flyers in your window is just gone. Forever.
Or what about a restaurant? It's all about timing. This is automation at its best. Your breakfast menu pops up at 7 a.m., your lunch specials take over at noon, and your happy hour deals show up right at 5 o'clock. You set the schedule one time, and it just works. And for retail, it's all about speed. You decide to run a flash sale right now. Boom! The announcement is live across all your stores in seconds. You can launch a new collection with a beautiful, eye-catching video instantly. It's that fast.
This even works for industries like banking, where you need to be absolutely precise. Imagine updating mortgage rates across every single branch at exactly 9:01 a.m. Everyone sees the correct, compliant info at the same time. That's the kind of control you have.
And finally, think about healthcare. Communication is absolutely critical. You can share clinic hours, post important health tips, or push out an emergency announcement with zero delay. It frees up your staff to help patients, not mess with paper